Hi, are you ready to be that fearless leader you've been looking for? A fearless leader in your own life? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Susan Lazar Hart, and as a relationship coach traveling around the world, the biggest questions people come up to me with is about fear. How do I get over this? I'm afraid to eat this food. I'm afraid to be in a relationship. I'm afraid I won't make enough money. Whatever that is for you. One of the things I've realized is we use fear as a way to stop ourselves. So my question for you is, are you ready to go from fearful to fearless? From stuck to unstoppable? From I can't to, hey, what else can I create? This is why I created my gift for you, 10 Keys to Fearless Living. It's about creating that space and place for you where you are unstoppable, where you're going for it. And that's what I want for you, is to be able to live and lead your life fearlessly. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please, my gift to you, put your name down here and your email, and let's get the 10 Keys to Fearless Living over to you ASAP. I adore you. I've got your back. Above all, live boldly, love greatly, and be that fearless leader that you came here to be.